Granola is very simple to make. With just few ingredients, you can make your own granola at home and in less than 10 minutes, even without oven. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make your own granola at home. And here I have the few ingredients I'll be using for this our granola. I have my rolled oats here, my coconut flakes, which I homemade also. The video is in my channel. I'll be using some almond nuts, cashew nuts, raisins, that is dry fruit, and also honey and the coconut oil. You can also use olive oil or any other oil of your choice. This is very simple to make. All I'll do is to mix everything into this my mixing bowl, and then we transfer it to the frying pot or pan. These are the few ingredients I'm using, but you can add more. You can use more if you have banana, dry mango, and the rest of them you can use all. I didn't show you this, but I'll be adding it a teaspoon of cinnamon powder for some flavor. You can also skip this or use any other flavor of your choice. I'm also adding a pinch of salt. Then mix this very well before we go in with the oil and the honey. You can also use any oats, any type of oats you have available. After mixing the dry ingredients, I will now go in with a quarter cup of oil. I use the 3 cups of rolled oats. I'll leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Next, I'll also use my quarter cup to add honey. I'll be adding 2 of this quarter cup. Then mix everything thoroughly well. Mix everything together. After mixing this very well, we'll now transfer into our frying pot and toast on the stove for about 10 minutes. And after about 7 to 10 minutes of toasting this on the stove or medium heat, our granola is ready. So I'll take this out from the stove now and then allow it to cool down before we store in an airtight container. I need to take it out from the frying pan so that it can stop toasting and also cool down faster. And here we have our granola. Allow it to cool down, then you store in an airtight container. This can last for months. It can last in this container for about 6 months plus. Yes, it can last like that. It can last more than 6 months. It can last up to a year. That is if you're going to leave this to even last for up to 2 months. You can enjoy your granola with your yogurt, with your pap, with your oats, with your milk. You can just add milk and water to it and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you can now make your own granola at home and save some money from buying from the store. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, help me like the video and also share. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.